Hi everyone, in this video today I will show you the Whooshi Bluetooth Receiver that was a Kickstarter campaign several months ago, and it was promised on that campaign that this receiver could also be used as a transmitter. So the update was made available on January, let me take a look at it, January 28th. As you can see here, it says that the update brings the transmitter mode, and here is the Whooshi. So basically right now I have it connected to my laptop using the USB cable, and you can see that it is working as a USB DAC right now, and you can see it right here. This is the Whooshi, as you can see it. So what you have to do to enable this new Bluetooth transmitter function is that you have to go to the app, and here's the app. You have to go to here to this icon where you can see the devices, and of course I need to turn it on. Okay, it's turned on, and now I'm going to select the device here and it will try to connect. So basically the transmitter function will turn it into a transmitter, of course. For some reason, I don't know if this is a bug, but I'm seeing that there's when I change it to transmitter mode, sometimes it gives me that message, and I really don't know why. Okay, so here's the interesting part. It says that on transmitter mode, you have to use a 3.5 cable connected to the amplifier. So meaning that you have to plug it here, but it also works on USB. So right now it's in receiver mode, and notice that on the computer, right now it says Whooshi. So essentially, when I do the change, it will change as well. So I'm going to perform the change here, and it says that the device firmware needs to be updated. So I'm going to, sure, let's update it, because you know, the thing is that the firmware is actually, for some reason, the app is not detecting that this is the latest version of the firmware. I don't know why that's happening, but if you have the one that ends on 25, that's the version. So essentially, you should be good to go, but I don't know why for some reason it is not detecting that, the app, and it throws that error saying that the firmware needs to be fixed. So yeah, let's just wait for it to fix the firmware and see why this is happening. I don't know, but yeah, essentially this is the update to, this is the process to update the firmware. So we'll just wait for it to update. So I'm going to leave the phone here while it does the firmware update. It will take a while. It's almost done. It's on 91%, 92, and it's counting. So technically it's almost finished updating the firmware. Well, technically this is the part where it transfers it to the device, or I'm not sure if it is actually upgrading it. I know that some transfers it to the Bluetooth, and then it goes to reboot the device. I did this previously. It actually did not reboot the device. It was actually turned on, but it actually seems that it turned off, because I can see on the computer that the Whooshi just disappeared. It's not there, so essentially I believe that it's actually rebooting the device. So we'll just have to wait and see wait for it to actually finish this update process. So once that's done, then we can change the mode to transmitter. And I believe it may have finished. Now I'm seeing again that it's the Whooshi just appeared here on the computer, and yep, effectively it just finished, and I'm seeing on the phone that the upgrade was successful. So yeah, that's basically all I have to do. And now that the firmware is updated, I can go ahead and change it to transmitter mode. Now this is important. It says that when changing to transmitter, it will not work with the app. So essentially you have to turn it back to receiver mode, you have to press the volume down and volume up buttons for 5 seconds, and it will revert back to receiver mode. But that, again, for some reason it's prompting me with the message saying that the firmware is corrupt for some reason, even if that's not true, because the device is working. So I'm going to, and again it says that the device needs to be updated. I don't know. So anyway, if I click here, touch the update firmware, it will say that my firmware is up to date. And now, for some reason, it's refreshing, and when I click change, Again, it's saying that it needs to be updated. I really don't know why this is happening. Now it's again. Yeah. Yeah, the app is very buggy, so I'm going to open it again. Let's see, because this device has its bugs. It's actually disconnected from the device, so I'm going to turn it off, and let me turn it on. It's turning on, and it connects. Let's see if it connects. Okay, here I am, and now I'm going to select transmitter mode, and I'm going to change, and now you're going to see that it actually didn't prompt me to update the firmware. For some reason, again, the app is buggy, so if you experience these issues, it's normal until the company does some, it fixes it. And now the Whooshi disappeared from the device again, and you're going to see that once the mode is changed, it will appear as another device in the computer. So it's essentially the same Whooshi, but it shows under another name. So it's still changing the mode on the phone. We just have to wait for it to actually finish. There we go. So now it showed, and the phone is still saying that it's changing, but now you're going to see now. Okay, there we go. It went back on the phone, but now it's disconnected, and now you can see that it says on the computer, it now appears as Q2 audio dongle. So I did some research. Apparently that's how Qualcomm names the device. And okay, perfect. We are good to go. So now the other question is, how are you going to pair it with your another receiver? So this is the Avantri Clipper Pro that I have, and it's a great Bluetooth receiver. Of course, I now have other like the FIIO BTR5, so balanced connection. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the Whooshi off, and now I'm going to turn both. Now I'm going to enter the Avantri Clipper Pro in pairing mode. You can see that the Whooshi is also in pairing mode because of the LED, and on the computer it should be the same, but I can now control the volume using the Clipper Pro, as you can see, and it's actually using the dongle. So yeah, it transfers the button presses to it, and you can see that it's connected. So basically that's how it works. If I go to Tidal, I use Tidal to stream, I can play back some music, and it will use the Whooshi. And as you can see, it is actually using the Whooshi because it does not choose the Avantri Clipper Pro. So, and I do not have the Bluetooth turned on. In fact, we can go to settings here, and I'm going to go to the devices section. If I turn off Bluetooth, you can see it's not here. So it is actually using the transmitter of the it is actually using the Whooshi as the transmitter. So volume buttons are working. Start stop is also working. And yeah, basically that's all I have for this video, showing you how to use the Whooshi transmitter. Well, now it's a transmitter. It was a receiver, but now works as both a transmitter and receiver. And to roll it back again, that's the last part I'm going to show you. So let's go back here. That's the last part I'm going to show you. So to turn it back to receiver mode, what I'm going to do is I'm going to press both the volume down and volume up buttons, and it will disappear. from the computer. Okay, there you can see the sound devices. So I'm going to press both buttons here, volume down and volume up, for 5 seconds. It will disappear from the computer. You see that it disappeared. And now we just have to wait for it to do its magic that it's going to do, and eventually it show here the Whooshi again. But yeah, that's all you have to do to turn it into a receiver, a transmitter, I mean. So that's the Whooshi. That's basically it. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like this video, comment on it, share it with your friends, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. For Whooshi, if Whooshi sees this video, I hope they improve their app, because right now it's buggy, it has some bugs, and otherwise the Whooshi works great as a receiver and transmitter. Sometimes the signal is not so great when using on a receiver. It depends on which device you use it, of course, because not other device transfers has the same Bluetooth signal, but other than that, it works great. Yeah, that's basically all. So thank you for watching this video. And yeah, I know that I say thank you, but yeah, it now shows the Whooshi back again, so it does takes a few times. So thank you everyone. This is actually the end of this video. So again, thank you for watching this video.